This is Shelly and Fraser Pryce. She is one of the most decorated Jamaican sprinter. Not just one of the most decorated Jamaican sprinter. She is one of the best sprinter in the whole wide world. In fact, in case you do not know, Shelly and Fraser Pryce is referred to as the GOAT of female track and field. Shelly and Fraser Pryce has set a lot of record. And in case you do not know, Shelly and Fraser Pryce has a total of 15 championship medals to her name, making her one of the most decorated athletes in the history of athletics. Now, the only woman in history that equals Shelly and Fraser Pryce's greatness in track is none other but the United States of American Allyson Felix. We are talking about presently. Allyson Felix also has a lot of championship medals, but Shelly and Fraser Pryce's medals is very distinct because she was able to achieve these medals in an individual races, while Allyson Felix was kind of an athlete who focuses in 4x100 meter and the rest. Now, Shelly and Fraser Pryce shocked the whole wide world. Now, what made Shelly and Fraser Pryce shock the whole wide world is she recently announces that in Paris Olympic she will be retiring. She will be dropping out from track and athletics. Not only Shelly and Fraser Pryce, because Yohan Blake from Jamaica, also one of the best and second fastest man in the history of athletics after Usain Bolt, who has also broken a lot of record, and he is referred to as the tiger because he always come close to beating Usain Bolt. Now, a lot of people feel like Yohan Blake should have retired long ago, but it is very shocking to see Yohan Blake trying to still prove to the world that he wants to be on top. But recently, he also shocked the whole wide world by announcing that he also will be retiring together with Shelly and Fraser Pryce right after the Paris Olympic. And what this means is that they will participate in Paris Olympic. They will be present in Paris Olympic, but they will not be running ever again after the Paris Olympic. I don't know if I'm wrong, but that is what I have heard on the internet. And Yohan Blake has nothing to prove to the world because he is the second fastest man on earth. He has achieved a lot and he is the second fastest man after Usain Bolt. And it is very safe to say that if Usain Bolt doesn't exist, then definitely Yohan Blake will be the GOAT and he is going to hold the record in the 100 and 200 meters. Now, Yohan Blake is a very great athlete, like I said earlier on, and Jamaica are definitely going to lose two great athletes, and that means they need to find a replacement for these two athletes. But do not worry because Jamaica is the powerhouse of track and field. Because I have seen a lot of young athletes coming up from Jamaica that will take over and they will definitely do better than Yohan Blake and Shelly and Fraser Pryce. And this is what we have for today news and podcast. Let me hear all your thoughts in the comment section. Are you happy to see Shelly and Fraser Pryce and Yohan Blake retiring from track? Are you going to miss them from the bottom of your heart? Do you wish to see them continue running? Do you feel bad about them retiring? Do you feel like it's a mistake for them to retire? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section.